Well, good morning, magandang umaga, and welcome to today's episode of My PI Dream. Well, Hapon and I just went out for a walk. Hapon got up this morning and he barked twice. Hapon's normally 2 barks means there's something on your calendar that you're supposed to do today. 1 bark usually I'm hungry, 2 barks is there's something on your calendar, or I'm really hungry. What was it for today, Hapon, huh? Well, we do have something on our calendar for today. On our calendar for today, one of our subscribers asked me as a favor, as a courtesy to him, is if I would not mind coming out here and looking at one of the lots here. Now, normally we don't look at lots over in phase 1 in our subdivision. We normally show the lots over our area over in phase 2. But this is a lot right here he asked me to do, so we're going to do that this morning. So without further delay, let's get today's video underway. Over here in phase 1, there are very few lots that are still available. It's almost sold out, but they still have a few lots that are available, and this was one that one of our subscribers asked me to take a look at. I've never really taken that close of an examination of this particular lot. This lot is actually on block 9, lot number 1, and it is situated very close to all the amenities here. It is maybe 50-70 meters away from the clubhouse that has a swimming pool, and directly behind it, it's actually connected to it, are some things like recreational areas like basketball courts, or if you wanted to play badminton. It's just a big flat space on the backside. So anyway, we're going to start at one end of the property and we're going to walk our way to the other end, and then we're going to look inside, then we're going to do a drone overview. Okay, so what we're going to do today, Hapon and I are going to start down here on this part of the property. I told you it borders a basketball court, but this is a very small section because it's a pie shaped. So it starts, the tip of the pie starts right here, and it's right next to this recreational place for any type of a sport, if you want to do any type of sport activity. Very convenient. Of course, if you wanted privacy, you could put a wall up as well. It starts from the pie, from this left side facing the street, and goes to the right, and it starts widening up. This lot is very densely populated with a lot of really neat trees, so you would start out already with a bunch of great trees on your property. Most of the trees that we have inside here are some type of fruit-bearing trees. I don't know what they are on this lot right here, but definitely you can see lots of banana trees. So we're going to step in at this point as we're going onto the property itself. Now, I think this lot comes in at 1,077 square meters. I think it's the biggest lot available in phase 1 right now. So you can see at this point the topography, the elevation, the grading is relatively flat. It goes down slightly, but really nothing. Once you bring an excavator inside here, you would not have any kind of problem. So we are starting to walk. So you can see there's a street behind us. The tip of the pie goes over there, and it starts widening as you go through the property here. I imagine these really nice palms back here were planted by the developer as part of probably the border. So as you see, it starts getting wider as we walk through the property. Come on, Hapon. Now the property gets really wide back at this point right here, and I would have to go out on the street. I could not see the exact marker, but I can give you an estimate about where the property ends. So let's go ahead and go look at it from the street view. So I'm thinking somewhere right around this area here on the street is where, I can't find the marker. I'm thinking this is where the border is on this side. Now we can look at it on the site map. We'll take a look at that and we'll see what it looks like on the site map as well. Now, since this is over 1,000 square meters, I'm going to think that this area right here is also part of this property right here. Again, we'll look at the site map where it shows its actual layout. Now what's nice about this property is its proximity to the amenities here. Like I said, you have the sport recreational area back on one side if you want to play some badminton or some tennis or some basketball, and then you have the clubhouse back over in this area. So from the property, lot 1, block 9, over on this side right here, this area behind all these palms is the clubhouse and the swimming pool. So it's just relatively a few meters away if you wanted to get out in the morning and do a dip inside the swimming pool. Now the clubhouse was right over there. Down this road is where block 9, lot 1 is, right over here. And the road curves over this direction. So this is the main road over here. A nice thing about this road on this side where this property is, it's almost like a private road, mainly because it goes to a dead end and very little vehicular traffic will be going up and down this road right here. So that's a plus for this property. Now, one thing I always do for my subscribers, they often ask me, give me your opinion of a piece of property that we're looking at inside your subdivision, and I try to do my best. I give the good, bad, and the ugly. So for this lot right here, I like the layout of the lot, I really like the size of the lot, and I really like the proximity to the amenities, especially the swimming pool and the clubhouse. So let me tell you the number one attribute of buying this lot, if you were to buy this lot right here, you get to be neighbors here with Henry.
Yeah.
Henry, as you know from our earlier videos, is our German neighbor here, and he has we were just talking about the age of some of the fruit trees inside of his yard. As a matter of fact, he just gave me a bag of rambutan. He has lots of rambutan trees inside here. And I think most of the trees are what did you say? How many years? 13 years?
13.
About 13 years. And their trees, the rambutan, when it's about 13, looks like this. Okay, so you'll have an endless supply of rambutan if you live in this neck of the neighborhood. Hey Prince! Hey Prince! Hey! Alright, well, let's do a quick drone overview of this property back here, and then we'll close out today's episode. Hoppo says it's time to go back and go get some water back at the house. Well, I hope you enjoyed today's episode for the review of this property here. And this is Block 9, Lot 1. I need to get back to the house. I think I'm going to break into some of these rambutan that Henry most graciously shared with me today. Me and Ness will jump into this as soon as I get back. Well, anyway, I hope you enjoyed today's video. If you did, please give me a thumbs up. Please share. And if you have not subscribed, just click on that little MPID dream heart. At the bottom right hand side of your screen, you'll be subscribed and notified the next time I upload a new video. So until such time, you have a wonderful and blessed day. If you enjoyed today's episode and you would like to see more just like these, just click on one of the helpful links over to your right and you might be able to pick up on some good information on DIY projects, how to, or if you are interested in moving to the Philippines and building, you'll find answers there as well.